Welcome to Auto Trend, where technology meets domination. Today we stand before a symbol of national power and engineering perfection, the JF-17, Thunder Block 3. Outside the Pakistan Air Force headquarters, under the calm glow of the morning sun, this fighter doesn't just rest, it commands attention. Dressed in an exquisite blend of dark gray, light gray, and deep green camouflage, the jet radiates an aura of stealth, confidence, and purpose. The surface gleams softly against the marble-tiled ground, where every reflection tells a story of precision and pride. Around it, the air hums with energy. Technicians and engineers move with purpose, fine-tuning a masterpiece that defines Pakistan's air power. Each bolt, each panel, and each marking on the JF-17 Block 3 reflects years of innovation, collaboration, and sheer determination. Its aerodynamic structure is sculpted for dominance, sharp, powerful, and beautifully balanced. The sunlight highlights its elegant contours, the metallic texture shimmering like liquid steel. The camouflage isn't just paint, it's identity. A symbol of stealth and strategy built for the modern battlefield. Beneath its skin lies a fusion of power and intelligence, advanced radar systems, cutting-edge avionics, and high-thrust engines that allow it to slice through the skies with surgical precision. The JF-17 Block 3 is not merely an aircraft, it is the pride of Pakistan's skies. It embodies progress, the evolution of technology born from resilience and vision. Every inch of this machine reflects the skill of the engineers who brought it to life, the discipline of the Air Force that maintains it, and the ambition of a nation that refuses to stand still. Even when it's on the ground, it feels alive, a sleeping beast, calm yet powerful, ready to awaken at a moment's call. The reflections on the marble floor dance with the light, as if nature itself bows before the brilliance of human craftsmanship. As the scene unfolds, the jet stands like a monument of modern warfare, silent but full of power. The background glows softly with the Pakistan Air Force headquarters, flags fluttering in slow motion, capturing a cinematic frame that defines strength and heritage. This is not just a moment of maintenance, it's a moment of pride. A moment that celebrates how far Pakistan has come in aviation and how far it will go. Because this isn't just a fighter jet, it's a promise of protection, power, and progress. Would you like me to make a next scene continuation bhai? Jisme ye same jet take off karta hai isi cinematic. Tone man, next part of same video script. It will make your video feel like a complete story, from ground to sky.